Hello ladies and welcome to Pink April Diary Style. If you're new here, I am Suchi and in today's video I'm sharing 5 common style mistakes that most of us make that make us look bulkier, fatter or heavier, whatever you want to call it, in our outfits. And all of these mistakes are really easy to fix. So let's get started. The first mistake is you are wearing your jeans and t-shirts outfit combo wrong. Now, most of us have been influenced by these celebrities, these supermodels who wear these really fitted skinny jeans and a fitted t-shirt, and it just looks rocking in them because guess what? They have that model figure, they don't have probably a single ounce of fat in them, so they can rock that outfit. But you and I probably can't. Now, honestly, this particular outfit is uncomfortable, it is really frumpy, and it just doesn't work for our everyday body type. The t-shirt is really fitted, which means that if you have a little bit of back fat, it's only going to be visible. The jeans is really hugging you in weird places, especially around your stomach area, which means if you sit down, all the bulge is going to be even more visible. Now, the first and the simplest swap you can do is just swap your fitted t-shirt with something oversized or relaxed fit. You don't have to go all like dad size oversized t-shirt. Just put on something which is a little bit more relaxed, which means it's not going to hug your back, it is not going to hug your stomach area that much and make it more prominent. You can also swap your skinny jeans with a wide leg or straight leg jeans, which is a little bit more wider and relaxed fit around your hip area. So it's going to hide any of the infection, even if you have a belly push like myself, or if you had a long heavy lunch, it's all going to hide in that straight leg or wide leg jeans. Now, if you still want to wear this particular outfit combination, you can still hide away all of that imperfection by adding a little bit more relaxed third layer. It can be a lightweight cardigan, it can be an oversized blazer, or a little bit more relaxed jacket that is going to hide away all of that imperfection that you have. Now, this is again a great way of balancing out everything fitted that you're wearing with something oversized. But this way you still get to wear your skinny jeans and fitted t-shirt, and you still get to enjoy it and feel confident. Now, since this video is about everything summery, I'm going to bring out the favorite and most popular outfit that most of us rock in summer, and that's the jersey t-shirt dress. It's actually one of the most comfortable, it's really breathable, we all feel comfortable. Jersey material is also very lightweight, so it feels like a perfect summer dress. But if you don't have the perfect figure like Kendall Jenner or Hailey Bieber, you probably know that that particular outfit is making you look fat. Because of the jersey fabric, which literally falls or hugs your body, it's going to not be very forgiving if you have a little bit of the muffin top, or even if you don't have it, if you have a really straight figure, it just makes you look bulky. Now, if you do want to wear the same jersey material, I would say fit and flare style of dresses are perfect instead of going for a straight cut. I feel like this creates an hourglass shape that all of us desire and looks way more flattering and is way more forgiving. If you want to take this fit and flare style to the next level, try a tiered fit and flare dress. I think that's one of my favorite silhouettes of dresses. I love it wearing all summer. It just looks so flattering. It just looks so chic on every body type. The fitted bodice or the top part makes you look slimmer and slender, and then the flare style creates a perfect hourglass shape. This is really forgiving, again, silhouette where you don't have to worry about whether it's not looking flattering or your back fat or something is protruding. Now, if you don't like the fit and flared style at all, you want to wear something way more relaxing, just like the t-shirt dress, just one silhouette, straight pull on, try linen shirt dresses. I feel like shirt dresses are way better version of the t-shirt dress. They look really more put together because of the collar detail and the button detail. Plus, because they are made out of cotton and linen material, they are not going to hug your body just like a jersey fabric is going to do. So they're going to fall perfectly on your body, flatter your body shape, and make you feel confident. Bermuda shorts and t-shirt. This particular outfit combination, I feel like we all collectively should stop wearing. This is frumpy, so frumpy in so many different ways, but moreover, it's actually making you look bulkier. Now, whether you have a stick figure or you are average size body shape just like mine, you will look fat in them. Bermuda shorts are actually a shorts version of the skinny jeans, which means they're hugging your thighs a lot. And so if you have thick thighs, they're only going to enhance it. So no matter how oversized of a t-shirt you're going to wear or how loose your shirt is, either way, your bottom section of your body is going to look bulkier, making you look heavier than you are. And honestly, why would you wear Bermuda shorts? While there are so many different alternatives to shorts. Now, if you really want to wear something lightweight because of the heat, denim shorts are not the only shorts. You can wear cotton shorts. There are plenty of versions out there which are a little bit more relaxed. They are made to be more relaxed compared to the denim Bermuda shorts itself. And there are also pleated cotton shorts or linen shorts that again are wider around your hip area, so they are going to make you feel much more comfortable and confident. But if you really want to wear denim shorts, then go for wider seams or shorts that are wider around your thick area. Now, these denim shorts that I'm rocking are from A. Goldie. They are my absolute favorite. These shorts have a wider thigh area, so they are not hugging your thighs, making your thighs look slender and slim. Moreover, they're also really comfortable because they're long. Even if you sit wearing these shorts, they're not going to ride up so much as if you're not wearing anything. Now, if you have thick arms just like mine, stop wearing tank tops. They actually enhance your thicker arms and make you look heavier up top. This is one of the biggest mistakes, which is making you look fat or heavier. I don't want to say fat. It just feels weird because you are not really fat. It's just that you are not wearing the right proportion or the right clothes for your body type. And tank tops are a big no-no for me because of my thick arms. I do have them, I've always had them, so I avoid tank tops at all cost. But that doesn't mean you have to wear long sleeve or full sleeve tops every single day. There are plenty of other tops that you can swap your tank tops with that will look way more flattering and will also look more put together. Padded shoulder t-shirts are made to enhance your shoulders. So they're going to kind of give the illusion of a slimmer arms because all of the tension is drawn to your shoulder areas. They're also a little bit wider than your tank tops or sleeveless tops because they fall outside of the regular armhole, which means you will have a little bit more leeway and which makes your arms look a little bit more slender. This is one of my favorite style of sleeveless t-shirts that I could wear in summer without worrying about my arms looking like Hulk's arms. You don't have to always wear sleeveless. You can also wear bat sleeve style sleeves or even loose sleeves like puff sleeves tops that will also make your arms look lean and will also look really flattering in summer. There are plenty of top styles, sleeve styles in the market that look way more flattering and way more elevated and put together compared to a sleeveless tank top, honestly. So why not try those options and look flattering and look chic in summer while feeling comfortable? Now, this style mistake is not an outfit combination or a style of clothes. It's you actually wearing the wrong size of clothes or clothes that are too tight on you. This can also make you feel bulkier because they just don't fit you very well. Even if you have the perfect figure, if the clothes that you're wearing are too tight on your body, they're not going to look really flattering. Now, if you feel like you look really fat in your jeans outfit, it might be because you're wearing jeans that are too tight around your waist. That's one of the biggest reasons you might be feeling like you look fat even though you shouldn't be in that particular style of jeans. If your jeans are too tight around your waist area and you're still forcing it on you, you will have a lot of bulge outside of your jeans. Just think about it. If it's too tight around your waist, all of that extra muscle or extra flesh is only going to ride up and create that muffin top that we all dread about. It's not because you have one, it's because you just created one by wearing jeans that are too tight. And how do we fix it? Get rid of that jeans, donate it, and just size up. Now, this is something that I think we all need to teach ourselves. We sometimes outgrow our clothes. It happens. It is very natural for most of us. We all are human. We do have some weight gain moments. We do go through changes. Or you might have just put your favorite pair of jeans in the washing machine and shrunken it. Either way, they are not salvageable anymore. Donate them and upgrade to an upper size. If you were feeling uncomfortable and sad because you suddenly look fat in your outfits, you now know the reason why. And I hope this video helped you in fixing that problem and rocking your outfits in confidence. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to click the like button to let me know. And if you did, you're also going to like this next video where I'm talking about how you can rock high-waisted jeans even with a belly pooch. Now, if you haven't already, click the subscribe button so you can get access to more style videos like these ones. And don't forget to hit the bell notification. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!